Hello students, how are you? I hope you all are fit and fine. So dear students, let us continue with examination type stanza based questions on poem 3 Keeping Quiet by Pablo Neruda. So let us yesterday we discussed two stanzas and today we are going to discuss the remaining stanzas. Now stanza 3 going to write on the board from fishermen to hurt hands, from fishermen to hurt hands. Okay, questions are: what does the fisherman do in the cold sea? Question number 1: what does the fisherman do in the cold sea? What does the fisherman do in the cold sea? Second question: how would the whales not be harmed? How would the whales not be harmed? How would the whales not be harmed? Third question: what are the hands of the how are the not what are the how are the hands how are the hands how are the hands of the man hurt? Of the man hurt. How are the hands of the man hurt? Which professions are mentioned in these lines? Next question: which professions are mentioned in these lines? Which professions are mentioned in these lines? Okay, so read this stanza in your book and answers to these questions. Stanza is: fishermen in the cold sea would not harm whales, and the man gathering salt would not look at his hurt hands. Okay, so let us start writing answer to these questions. So what does the fisherman do in the cold sea? So I hope many of you have written this answer. What does the fisherman do in the cold sea? Yes, the fisherman goes for fishing. The fisherman goes for fishing in the cold sea. in the cold sea. Okay, the fisherman goes for fishing in the cold sea. Now, second, let us write answer to the second question. So I hope you have written already. Now match your answer for the second one. How would the whales not be harmed? So everyone on earth, including fishermen, everyone on earth including fishermen would be keeping quiet, and introspecting themselves. Everyone on earth, including fishermen, would be keeping quiet and introspecting themselves. So they would not be hurting or harming. They would not be harming whales. Okay. So everyone on the surface of earth, everyone on earth including fishermen would be keeping quiet and introspecting themselves, so they would not be harming whales. So thus the whales would not be harmed. Okay. Now let us write answer to third question. Next question. How are the hands of man hurt? Third one. How are the hands of the man hurt? The hands of salt gatherers, the hands of salt gatherers hurt due to crude salt obtained from sea. Okay. The hands of salt gatherers hurt due to crude salt obtained from sea. Okay. So because of crude salt, unrefined salt, their hands got hurt. fourth one. Which professions are mentioned in these lines? So one is fishing, or we can also write professions of fishing and salt gathering. Professions of fishing and salt gathering are mentioned in these lines. Okay. Okay, dear students. So I am going to rub it and write down the next stanza. Now, next stanza, stanza 4. Those who prepare green wars. Those who prepare green wars, from here to doing nothing. Doing nothing. Okay. Now, look at this stanza in your book. Those who prepare green wars, wars with gas, wars with fire, victory with no survivors, would put on clean clothes and walk about with their brothers in the shade doing nothing. Okay. So let us write down the questions on this stanza. In which wars are there no survivors? In which wars are there no survivors? In which wars are there no survivors? Okay, it is not used. Sorry, what is happening? Survivors. In which wars are there no survivors? Second question, who would put on clean clothes? Who would put on clean clothes? Who would put on clean clothes? Third one, what does put on clean clothes signify? does put on clean clothes signify? What does put on clean clothes signify? Fourth one. How can brotherhood be established in the world? How could brotherhood be established How could brotherhood be established in the world? Okay. Now let us write down the answers. First one. In which wars are there no survivors? So, there are no survivors in the wars of gases, chemicals and firearms. Okay, we can also add here which is fought between two countries, which is fought between two countries. Okay. There are no survivors in the wars of gases, chemicals and firearms, which is fought. Which is fought between two countries. Okay. Now I'm going to rub it and write down answer to second one. And I hope you all have already written answers, so match your answer. Who would put on clean clothes? So who would put on clean clothes? So the people who create war, the war wizards. The war wizards put on clean clothes. Okay, so the war wizards, they put on clean clothes because they are the person, they are the people who create wars. Okay, and which causes a lot of mass destruction. Third one, what does put on clean clothes signify? Answer to third one. What does put on clean clothes signify? So put on clean clothes means change. It is for war visitors. They should put on clean clothes. They should uh, change their thinking, because of that change their ideology, because of that war takes place, and they should walk with their brothers. They should spread the message of peace and harmony, okay, instead of creating the situation of wars. So what does put on clean clothes signify? Put on clean put on clean clothes signifies that the war wagers should change their ideology of war and spread the message of peace and harmony. Okay, so put on clean clothes signifies that the war visitors should change their ideology of war and spread the message of peace and harmony. Now answer to question number 4. How could brotherhood be established in the world? Brotherhood could be established. Brotherhood could be established by spreading the message of peace and harmony. Okay, so brotherhood could be established by spreading the message of peace and harmony and by introspecting ourselves for making right decision, decision. Okay, so this way, so brotherhood could be established by spreading the message of peace and harmony, and by introspecting ourselves for making right decision. Okay, decision which is in the welfare of the society, which does not create war, which spread the message of peace and harmony. Only it can establish the brotherhood. So now dear students, next stanza I am giving you as homework. So do it in your homework, and answers of this stanza will be discussed in my next video. So note down. What I want, next stanza, what I want from here to truck with death. Truck with death. What I want to truck with death. Now questions. Who does I stand for in the above lines? Question number 1. Who does I stand for in the above lines? Who does I stand for in the above lines? Question 2. What is it that should not be confused with total inactivity? What is that? What is that should not be confused with, should not be confused with total inactivity? What is the life about? What is the life about? Question number 4. Explain no truck with death. Explain no truck with death. Okay dear students, so this is your homework. So write answers to these 4 questions. The answers to these questions will be discussed in my next video tomorrow. Okay, so keep watching the video, keep attending the online classes, keep practicing and keep learning, and definitely you will score better in your board examination. So thank you students for watching this video. See you tomorrow.